Next day, another flake. But shout out to Promise for coming through for me. So we are about to go get her, come back, try to utilize this space that we have right here in kind of like a more lounging type setup. And then we're supposed to head out. So bad news, but Promise for the win. Where did you learn how to do makeup?
I really started just trying it myself, and then Faith got really into makeup, so I kind of started following her once she got into it.
Okay.
But I was still really bad at it at the time, so I would just kind of let her do my makeup and then watch her from there.
Then you started perfecting it.
Yeah. Now I'm like, okay, I'm getting more comfortable with it.
Yeah. Show you what the natural light looking like.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that a lot. And I love the brown, like definitely.
Yeah.
So cute.
It's definitely going with the melanin.
Yeah.
For sure. And actually, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some flash. I think she's gonna like this, folks.
That's it. That's it. That's the one.
So you wanna go with flash?
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
She wanna go with
For
flash.
sure.
All right. What side do you like the most? So it would kind of be like this way, kind of like this.
Okay. Yeah, I like, yes. Oh my god, yes. 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 Yeah.
Get a couple more like that. Yeah. Put it, yeah, right.
Like,
That's good. You could play with it. Yeah. Okay. Maybe go up a little bit more. Yeah. All right, so I think we just got like fire,
fire
absolutely
content.
fire.
Like,
So, how you feel?
I feel amazing. I'm
Feel-
so excited. That was.
Okay.
We did the thing, y'all. Like,
Exactly.
we did the thing.
So, we're gonna hurry up and get out of here so we can check out. And I hope y'all like this
Yep.
behind the scenes. How you feel?
Just.
Did you feel beautiful?
No words.
Did you feel?
I felt like.
Yeah, like give us.
I don't know. I didn't feel too sexy, but
Mhm.
like when I saw the pictures, I was like, oh wait, like never mind.
Like never mind. I'm
Yeah,
checked. Yeah,
like-
okay. I look beautiful. I look gorgeous. So that is what's up. So
And I love the hair. It's like a messy, like I just kind of woke up, but I'm so
but it's
cute.
still,
Like,
and it works with the
yeah,
aesthetic. See?
match the vibe for
Work
sure.
out. So I hope y'all enjoy that T to the M to the IDD. We're gonna have her give us a model walk and close out like we used to.